Hello everyone, this is Mario. I'm going to try a new camera that I got. Hopefully it works. If not, I'll just return it. Let's jump right into it. So I just picked this random problem. X squared plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so I need to use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So I'm going to identify what A is, B, and C. So A in this case will be 1, B will be 2, and C will be -1. So far so good. All right, you guys. All right, now I'm gonna need to use the quadratic formula. That's x equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If you have memorized, you can memorize this by the b story or by the song, whichever way, just memorize it. All right, so now we're going to use it. So x equals to, well, -b, well, b is, it's 2 right here. I'll put some colors to let you know where that came from. So -b, so in other words, -2 in this case, plus or minus, music is cool, huh? All right, so then square 2 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times 1. Okay, so for the a, that's 1 here. For c, it's just this one here, right? -1. Okay, so far so good. So far, not really liking the quality, but I am liking the problem, so I'm gonna keep going. So for this one here, it's gonna be x equals to -2 plus or minus 4. Here I like to take care of the signs first, so I do negative times a negative will be a positive, so this will be positive, and then 4 times 1 is 4, times 1 is 3 or 4, so 4 plus 4 to be all over 2 times 1 is 2. All right, so far so good. It's a little blurry, but I'm gonna keep doing the problem. -2 plus or minus, and this will be square root 4 plus 4 is 8 all over 2. Okay, let's go ahead and this is going to have 2 real solutions since the discriminant is positive here. But we can simplify this we simplify the radical. I'll just put it here. The square root of 8 is equals to square root of 4 times square root of 2. But the square root of 4, you guys, that's equals to 2 rad 2. All right, so this is going to be -2 plus or minus 2 rad 2 all over 2. Okay, and now this one right here, everybody right, all the numbers right here have a factor of 2, so I'm just going to factor the 2 on the top, and I put -1 plus or minus square root of 2 all over 2. This divides out. There's a different color for this. Cancels out. Then I get x equals to -1 plus or minus the square root of 2. And I think that's it. If you want to split it into 2 parts, you can. Okay, but here, I'll still do it. This will be x equals to -1 plus rad 2, or x equals to -1 minus rad 2. And those are my 2 answers here. Those are my 2 real solutions. All right, well, hope you enjoyed this video. I was testing my camera, but at the same time, I actually did a really cool problem here. You cannot factor this one, so you have to use the quadratic formula. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Enjoy the song, you guys.